Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chrysler 300. If you have one of those and you need to find the relay for the ignition coil, stay with us. We'll explain where the relay is located, how to replace it, how to test relay, and if you still have problems with the ignition coils, we'll explain what else you need to check, guys. So all that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share information that can save you quite a bit of money and time as well. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So what we have specifically, this is, guys, okay, this is the 3.6 Chrysler, guys, engine right here. This is the fuse box that we'll be working on now. You have one tab here, one here. We need to squish those and pull up at the same time. Check it out, it just comes open. Now the relay that we need to check, guys, will be known as relay 63. Now it will be really hard for you to find if you're looking at the menu, because it's actually not known as ignition coils relay. Excuse me, this is the relay right here. That relay, you grab it, pull it out. If you want to see where to buy replacement relay for a good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. But if you want to see where, guys, how to test that relay and find out if it's good or bad, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test car relay, and it's very easy, and find out if it's working. Now, if that relay is fine, or you even replace it with a new one and you still have problems with the ignition coils not working, we have a special video that explains why Chrysler 300 cranks but does not start. That will talk about ignition coils, spark, all that stuff, and what can cause that problem as well. Now, if you want to see any other videos, let us know. We'll be making quite a few videos, so just drop a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.